everyone. I just built my uh, camera system, the back camera system, for me to ever see what's happening in my back of my car. Well, this is just a new techniques. No, you can see, I can hardly see what's happening. I can hardly see what's happening in the back of my area. This camera is actually active right now. I don't know if you can see that. So I want to be seeing what's happening beside my vehicle. So I just did now. It's a back camera system. So I don't know if you can actually capture what's happening there. Now I'm going to go to the back of my vehicle and I don't know you see how the techniques goes. Let's go. I have to just build my manual uh, back camera view, and it's just a made back camera view. I'm going to capture what's happening there. This one will save me the cost of buying the already made in the market, but I just had to build my own concept. I'm putting on the camera now is very transmitting. You can see how it works. So I'm going to bring this stuff here. I see this lock now. So can you unlock this? Let's see. Um, if you see here, you see that the camera is actually capturing what we're doing here. Hello, hello, hello. So the main sense is that I only want to build my own personal camera that can be able to capture my back view. So I believe I want to reverse and I need to see what's happening at the back. So I can capture it easily. This is why the concept is coming. So this camera is transmitting signal wirelessly to my phone. So and I can always see what's happening at the back of my head. So I can just place this inside the vehicle and I'll be seeing what's going on. So it's just a creative idea, and people will like, yeah. Oh, wow. Mm. Yeah. Okay. See.
Let me go to the back.
Okay. Yeah. You can see now. You see, I am capturing this guy at the back of my car. You see that is nice. That is nice. So now I can actually drive backward without being scared. So in essence, I just built my side back camera view. That I just built my own personal back camera view to capture my bag when I'm driving, and I believe it's a very good concept. Thank you. Right now, I am tracking my car now to the location. I'm actually using. I'm tracking. That's the location where the car parked now. And I can see the location where the car is parked. I'm tracking the car right now. That is, I'm tracking the.
You don't tell me.
So you can see I'm tracking it. So I can see now. So maybe I should go down deep to where the car is. Particular location where this car is where I parked the car. Can you see that? I'm still tracking it. Yeah, I'm tracking it. Okay. Can you see? We're not really that clear. Well, you see, that's where the car is. I track the car down to where it is parked. So tell me how you going to steal this car. That's my car I'm seeing there. I just track it now. You see the car? You see the car I tracked? So it's hard for